sure it says live.
We're live.
Boom, boom, boom. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Yes, he says it's live. How's it going, people? It's Coach CJ, and I got one question for you. What drives you? What drives you? So, man, I'm sitting here right now. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, and it is late night, and Honey Badger's in the background cooking late night tacos. Say hi, Honey Badger.
Hi, Honey Badger.
So, if you hear any noise, man, it's just the Badger cooking. And
Actually,
shit.
Bill.
What?
Bill.
It's just, it's Badger.
It's Badger Bill.
So, trying to get, hey, I got one question for you. What drives you, man? What drives you when you're sick? What drives you when you're broke? What drives you when you're tired? What drives you when you don't feel like it? Woo! I got 3 things that should drive you, but I want to know right now what drives you, right? Is it money? Is it success? Is it fame? Is it whatever it is, right? Aida's got one. Hang on, I'm messaging some folks. Okay, good, good, good. Woo! I can see myself. That's all I wanted to do. I got to see myself, man, on the live stream. Okay, so guys, so I can comment back and forth. What drives you? Oh, Susie says, Honey Badger. Hi, Honey Badger.
Hi, Susie.
Yeah, she says, hi, Susie. Joe, what's up, bro? What's happening? I love having people on all over the world, man. So you guys sit back. I'm only going to do like 10 minutes, okay? So sit back, relax, take some notes if you want. But you got to find your drive. You have to find your drive. Oh, my gosh, man. Most people don't know it, right? There are days, I mean, everyday life throws some crap at you, right? What'd you say, Honey Badger? She said, Every day life throws crap at you. It don't matter if it's miserable Monday. It don't matter if it's hump day Wednesday. It don't matter if it's fantastic Friday. Every day life's going to throw some crap at you. Either you're going to be sick, the kids got into some trouble, some money problems, the bank froze your account, or maybe you went into overdraft, the boss is supposed to give you a raise and he didn't. I mean, it could be you get fired from a job, it could be that you got the flu, whatever it is. I want to show you how to break through all of that real quick in less than 10 minutes and find your drive, okay? So here's the thing, guys. I'll give you a secret. Most days, I really don't feel like it. I'm serious. Most days I don't feel like it, man. I'm going through some crap of my own. I mean, people see me and they're like, oh, CJ and Honey Badger, they look like they're doing so good. Oh, CJ and Honey Badger, they look like they're so happy. Oh, CJ and Honey Badger, he's always got so much energy. You have no idea. I've got sleepless nights. I've got sciatica pain I'm dealing with. I mean, I deal with so much stuff, right? I've got my own personal health issues. Everybody's got some crap. Everybody's got some stuff, but you got to be able to break through all the crap, all the junk, all the funk, man. And here's how you do it, okay? So it's in 3 easy steps. Now, you have to find your own drive, but here's my 3. The first thing that drives me is my family. Family has to drive you when you don't feel like it. Family has to drive you when you're sick. You know, when you don't feel like going to work like 2 days out of the week, you better keep a picture of your family everywhere you go. I have 3 places that I love to put my why in. 1, I love to put it in the bathroom, right? And number 2, I love to put it in my car. Number 3, I like to put it beside my bed. So listen, you have to find your own drive and put them on your mirror in the bathroom. Put it next to your nightstand, you know, where you sleep. And you got to put another one in your car, in your car, somewhere in your car, because you need constant reminders, constant things to drive you, to keep you going, to keep pushing you when you don't feel like it, man. I'm telling you, man, I be dealing with some stuff that you guys would not even dream, right? So I've got a big seminar coming up, right? And man, people think, oh, he just loves to do this stuff. You know, 99% of the stuff that happens behind the scenes. I don't want to go to the hotel and book the hotel. I don't want to do the budget for this stuff. I don't want to have the meetings. I don't want to call other speakers. I don't want to be following up with people 50 times. I don't want to I just want to be able to show up, get the mic, and speak, right? That's what I'd like to do. But there's something that drives me, man. There's something that just keeps pushing me, that keeps propelling me when I don't feel like it. So the first thing is my family. Write that down. The second thing that should drive you is your purpose. Your purpose. There's a reason that you're still alive. All the hell, all the things you've been through in your life, and you're still here. Somebody's got a purpose, right? You have a purpose. When you have a pen, and the pen runs out of ink, right? It has lost its purpose. So what do? You throw it away. When the computer crashes, right? And it has lost its purpose, it's time to go buy another one, throw that thing away. When the cord doesn't work anymore, right? That charges your phone, throw it out, man. It has lost its purpose. And in the same way, when man or woman has lost their purpose, God will call you home. You're all done. Or what?
Or when they've completed the assignment.
Or when they've completed their assignment, like Honey Badger says, right? So you have not completed your assignment yet. You are not done yet, okay? Now, if you guys are hearing noises in the background, Honey Badger is cooking tacos. And I ain't stopping my Honey Badger from cooking those tacos because I want my late night healthy tacos. So I try to get her to stop making noise, but hey, man, what are you going to do, right? What are you going to do? Okay, so, but blame her. But anyway, so man, listen, your purpose has to drive you. You are still here for a reason. I ask most people, do you understand what your purpose is? Do you know your reason for existence? Do you know why you're still here on earth? And most people can't even tell me what their purpose is. They think their purpose is just to wake up, go to work, come home, they put gas in their car, they take care of the kids, they make the lunch, and they do the same thing over and over again. Man, that is not a purpose. So I don't know what drives you, but I know my purpose. And my purpose, I'm doing it right now. I'm motivating, I'm inspiring, I am empowering people for success. That's my purpose. So I can do it at late night, I can do it early morning, I can coach people in the midday. Doesn't make me any difference because I'm driven by my purpose. I may not feel like it, but I'm driven by my purpose. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, you must be driven by your potential. Potential. Okay? Potential. It means you're potent. It means that what you're capable of doing. Potential means what you are capable of doing. You have potent power on the inside of you. If you don't stop that moaning in the background, she's doing the church lady moan when it starts getting good to her, right? Okay. So, potent. What are you capable of doing? You might be making, let me give you an example. Oh, this is good. You might be making $2,000 or $3,000 a month. But maybe you're capable of making $12,000 to $15,000 a month. There is nothing that will frustrate you more than not living up to your full potential. When you got a man that won't do right, and he won't work, and he won't help you and support you, and you think, well, at least I got a man, he's a decent guy, he doesn't do drugs. Oh my goodness, no, maybe that's not your potential. Maybe your potential is, I don't know, the guy that plays on the Thor. Maybe your potential is James Bond. I don't know. But you got to be able to live up to your potential. Okay, somebody says, oh my gosh, looks like you've lost some weight. You've lost 5 pounds. But inside, you know that you should have lost 20 or 25 or 30 or whatever, right? See, your weight loss potential might be 30, but you've only lost 5. So you're not satisfied. Okay? So guys, those are the three things that drive me, that push me, that propel me when I do not feel like doing stuff. Okay? So listen guys, I got a seminar coming up March 9th, March 10th. Don't you hang up. Don't you stop the stream right now. Stop. Freeze. Time out. Okay? This is going to take 30 seconds. So I want to show you guys my $49 deal, right? $49. I'm taking off hundreds of dollars off of my ticket price to get there. 80% off, and I'm giving you the tickets for $49 for 2 days, man, to come see me live so I can show you my success training, okay? Let's say you can't make it, which, unless you're in Zimbabwe or somewhere, you should be able to make it, okay? You can't make it, get the live stream for $49. Yes, I'm giving away the live stream. You're going to be able to watch it live like you're watching me now, giving away my marketing secrets, mindset secrets, social media secrets. $49 for a 2-day conference? What? Okay? And then also, let's say if you don't want to watch it live, you want to get it ongoing. Okay? You want to be able to get the recording, the recorded version, $49. This is a $1997. This is $2,000 that we're going to be reselling this program for, right? For 49 bucks. You better get it tonight and tonight only. Message me below and say, CJ, I want the $49 stream, or I want the $49 replay, or I want to come and see you live, CJ, at the seminar event here in Dallas, Plano, Texas. It's called Plano, Texas. West Plano at the Aloft Hotel. It's exclusive. It's only for my Eagles, but I'm letting a few people in, okay? And it is my high-powered training. If you need to grow your business, if you need to live lifestyle freedom, I'm telling you, man, this is going to change your life, okay? It's a biz conference. So, guys, man, what I want to write down right below also, what drives you? What keeps you going when you don't feel like it? Matches! Gotta call my sons so you can stop the live stream. Okay, guys, listen, I want you to write it down, and I want you to put it in 3 places. Put it in your bathroom, what drives you. Put it next to your bed, what drives you. Write it on the index card, do whatever you got to do, right? And number 3, put it in your car so that you can be driven every day, all day, on those days that you have fear. Even while you're driving. You got you driven while you're driving, Honey Badger says, okay? So guys, listen, if you want the $49 live stream for 2 days, if you want the $49 replay, or if you want the $49 tickets to come see me live March 9th and 10th, let me know which one you want, okay? I love you guys. Love you, and bro hug for the bros. For the bros. Bye, guys. Good night. Share the stream too, man. Share it with somebody who needs inspiration. Thanks, guys. Good night.